Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue our trip north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 149 in the town of Adams, Jefferson County, New York. Here we enter the town of Watertown, originally established in 1800. This isn't to be confused with the upcoming city of Watertown, which is much more densely populated, and when referring to Watertown, New York, it typically means the city, not the town. The town of Watertown had a population of 5,913 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city of Watertown. The area was first surveyed in 1795 and began to be settled in March of 1800, largely due to the abundant hydropower provided by the Black River. In 1805, Watertown was designated the county seat of Jefferson County when it was separated from Oneida County. The village of Watertown was incorporated in 1816, and it gained city status in 1869. By that time, it was flourishing as an industrial hub in upstate New York. In the early 20th century, Watertown was reputed to have more millionaires per capita than any other city in the nation. However, during the 1960s and 1970s, the city underwent significant deindustrialization, leading to the demolition of many historic buildings, including the Hotel Woodruff and the Old Courthouse. This deindustrialization contributed to economic and population declines. As Chicago expanded, it drew many young people from upstate New York with its business and professional opportunities. By the 1980s, the unemployment rate in Watertown had risen to 20%, and by 2000, the city had lost over 7,000 residents. Despite these challenges, Watertown serves as the commercial and financial center for the North Country region. Its proximity to the Canadian border, just 30 miles away, makes shopping by Canadian visitors a significant part of Watertown's economy. The city also attracts numerous tourists and summer residents. Interestingly, Watertown, South Dakota was named in honor of this city, and we've been there in our I-29 series. Watertown's name comes from its location along the Black River. While it is unclear which settler chose the name, it's widely believed to have been a collective decision aimed at attracting mills. By 1850, various mills powered by the Black River were being established throughout Watertown. The city is also notable for its diverse late 19th century architectural styles. Examples include the East Lake style, showcased in the Paddock Mansion, the Colonial Revival style, seen in the Emerson Place, and the Queen Anne style, exemplified by the Emma Flower Taylor Mansion. As of the 2020 census, Watertown had a population of 24,685, down nearly 10,000 from its peak in 1950. Here in the middle of the downtown area, we drive through Watertown's public square, which is oriented east to west in the middle of town at a junction of US 11, State Route 3, and State Route 12. We turn right for a long block as we pass through the square, concurrent with State Route 3, surrounded by historic buildings filled with businesses and offices. At the end of the square, we turn left, and as usual, I'm in the wrong lane. We pick up a concurrency with State Route 12, which will stay with us temporarily as we head north across the Black River and out of the downtown area. At Main Street, the concurrency with State Route 12 ends, and note the traffic signal overhead with the 12-inch left turn arrow entirely separate from the main signal head with its 8-inch lenses. Here we pass by a minor wreck, a surprisingly rare event on 504 road trips. We conclude today's video as we leave the city of Watertown at mile 158. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.